Alright guys, I'm back and I'm gonna be fishing at my boat ramp again. So my bait today, I have ballyhoo in my bag and shrimp. So we're gonna be looking to catch some big fish with my ballyhoo. Alright. I would have gone to the 7 Mile Bridge, but I didn't have a ride, so I'm just going to the boat ramp today. I'll try and go to the 7 Mile Bridge this week, someday this week, or someday this weekend. Either or. Alright. Alright guys, I got a fish on. Yo, my rod! My rod! My rod! I gotta get it. I gotta get my rod. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. My rod, my rod, my rod. Guys, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. I gotta get it. It's still pulling. Oh. I can't get it. Come on. Dude, my rod. Oh. 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 I have it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It's still pulling. Oh. Oh my god, I have him. 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 Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, oh bro, that's a big snapper. Well, not very big, but it's chunky. Dude, that's a big guy. See you, buddy. Guys, we got a bite. Oh, that's a fish. That's a little snapper. Oh. See you, buddy. Guys, I got a bite just now. I'm gonna set the hook. Got him. He's little. Pinfish. This is a very good bait. Let's see how small he is. I might cut him up if he's small. Should I cut him? Nah, he's way too small. He's way too big. I already got ballyhoo, so it's alright. Guys, we got something. Oh my god, it's big. Okay, this one's actually big. Oh my god. Guys, this is big. Guys, this is big. Oh my gosh. That's a huge grunt. That's a huge grunt. Dang. Bro, that bent my rod. That bent my rod a lot. Dang. It's a big grunt. That's around 11.5. I'm not even lying too. It's a big grunt. Kind of long and chunky. See you, buddy. Guys, we got something. It's going that way. Got him. He's small. Just a little grunt. Ooh. I could use my bait, man. Oh, I've been seeing like barracudas around, like big ones. I don't know, man. I keep seeing like mullet jump out the water. and big splashes, but I'm just gonna throw him back. See ya. Alright guys, I got him on. I got something on now. Oh, got him. It's a grunt. Another big one. Oh my God, ah. Oh my God, I'm hooked. Ah, I gotta get the hook out. Oh my gosh, it hurts. Oh my God. Oh, I gotta get it out. Dude, oh, that stupid grunt. Oh, dude, that hurts so bad. I hate you. So annoying. Like, I was just like trying to grab him, and then he let go and the hook came right at me and hooked me. It was so bad.